What? Yeah, I do. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. I want to first start off by thanking all you guys who subscribe to my channel. If it's your first time watching all my videos, do me a big favor, hit that subscribe button for me. Oh, and by the way, this is the link in the description below. This thing is super fun. Alright, so today we're going to attempt to tint the tail lights on my 95 Ford Lightning using Vvivid's Air Tint Release. Now, I've used Vvivid's products before in the past to vinyl wrap the pillars on my Ford Raptor and to do the interior trim pieces on my Lexus IS, and it turned out really, really well. But I did fail to delete the chrome on my wife's 2019 Toyota Highlander due to the fact that the chrome pieces that I was trying to vinyl wrap really had too many curves for me, and I'm not experienced and I'm not an expert at vinyl wrapping at all. I just do this for fun. So hopefully today's outcome is a lot different when I do the taillights on this truck. Right now I'm going to show you guys the products that I went with, and I want to thank also Vvivid again for supplying me with today's products. Alright guys, so here on the bench we have the Air Tint Release. This is actually a dry application, so you apply this dry with no soapy water at all. So this should be interesting because I'm kind of used to applying their vinyl, this stuff right here, with soapy water. This is the stuff I used before in the past. This is some really, really good stuff. I love the way this looks and makes trim pieces turn out really, really nice. Really, really good stuff. I went with some of their gloves, and this is one of the really, really nice knives they have to cut the vinyl. Super nice knife. And this is one of their squeegee and some little bumpers to kind of help glide across the vinyl or the tint and not mess it up. So all this I'm gonna link all these products below where you can get them as well. But let's go ahead and get this out. And this is my 95 Lightning here in the garage, guys, and it should be pretty easy, pretty straightforward. It shouldn't be too hard. Like I said, the tail light is just nice and round, nothing crazy. It does have kind of like these recessed edges here, but it shouldn't be that big of a problem, and it should be pretty simple. So let's go ahead and clean it up and get started. Alright, I already got the tail light nice and clean. I got the wrap out of the wrapper, and let's just see how much we need. We shouldn't need very much at all. I cut me a piece, like I said, a little bit bigger than what we want. That way we can pull on it. If this doesn't want to cooperate, guys, all you can do is just go ahead and grab this and just fold it the opposite way. I mean, just roll it the opposite way, like so, to kind of help flatten out the wrap. I found that this helps in helping it lay a little bit flatter for you, like so. There you go. So now it's a little flatter. It's not fighting and trying to roll back up. So now we can go ahead and peel this off. Go ahead and start by putting something down like so. I'm gonna touch it right there, and I just want to pull it. Pull it around. I want it to lay a little bit flatter than that. Get me started. Not even, definitely not even flat. So, like that. And then we can go ahead and grab my, where's my squeegee? And start working it this way. Nice and slow. So. It shouldn't be too hard. Nice and flat here. Don't want that crease there. So definitely want to get all the flat side. Now we can work on this side. Start working it that way. This is gonna be, I'm about to just stop it there, and I'm about to heat it up over it. So leave that there like so. Now up here, I might have to just heat it up and try to work it out. Gonna get it to lay flat. I'm gonna try to pull it up and over. Alright, I got the truck turned around so I can show you guys a little bit of before and after. Obviously here is the before, and boom, the after. Wow, that looks good. Look at that. It just looks really good on black. Really good. But it was actually really easy to apply. Not that hard at all. But if I can give you some tips, guys, when you go to heat it up, you want to make sure that once you heat it up that you're ready to stretch and pull and lay it flat, because it does get kind of hard really quick, and that's when it's going to give you some problems. But if you heat it up and you stretch it and you lay it down and you go ahead and you squeegee it away and squeegee out all the air bubbles and all the creases, man, it works really, really good. But man, this is actually really easy to work with. I love the way this feels. I love the way this reacts to heat. And it just seems like it's easier to work with than the vinyl wrap. But again, like I said before, I'm definitely not an expert, or maybe I'm just getting better at it. I don't know, but it does take a lot of practice, guys. It's not something that you're just gonna learn on the first try. It's gonna take a lot of practice and a lot of mess ups, but it's really fun to learn new things. If you found this video helpful, please hit that thumbs up. Please subscribe. If you have any questions, we'll put it in the comments below and I'll try to get to you as soon as I can. And we'll see you guys on the next one.